People who live in the city face poor air quality problems in their daily lives. Unhealthy air can cause a lot of hidden damage to our bodies or even cause disease. Prevention is always better than cure. The WAKi multifunctional ion air humidifier is a purifier and humidifier that produces clean and healthy air for optimal wellness. Cold catalyst filter, degrading harmful gases, killing numerous bacteria, decomposing and disposing of toxins from bacteria or fungi. Cellular activated carbon filter that is used to remove odors and absorb harmful gases in the room. Sterilization filter, which is effective in killing bacteria in the air with an antimicrobial rate of 99%. HEPA filter. A HEPA filter can filter particles such as bacteria, smoke, dust, allergens and viruses. Air odor quality sensing intelligent system. The air odor quality in the room will be monitored. Red for bad, orange for normal and green for excellent. Ion generator. The carbonized fiber ionizer CFI that can produce 100 million negative ions in every cubic centimeter. Negative ions can also neutralize positive ions such as smoke, dust, pollen and bacteria in our air. Ultraviolet light, bacteria killer. It can kill bacteria in the air and eliminate musty odors. Nano Silver Antibacterial Ionizer Box. Silver ions can efficiently kill more than 650 kinds of bacteria in a few minutes. Humidifier. The WAKi multifunctional ion air humidifier provides a humidifying function in order to produce clean and healthy air. Is suitable for those who are always exposed to an air-conditioned room. Automatic function. Press the auto button to automatically open 4 functions, which are negation ions, kill bacteria, wind velocity, and atomization of mist. Improve vitality, sleep better, more positive emotions, better looking skin, overcome fatigue and stress. The WAKi multifunctional ion air humidifier, it helps to reduce air pollution and provides a healthy environment.
Because battery WAKi, not a promise but sure.